Welcome to Lames Farm. In this video, we will share to you the importance of companion planting, which is part of carbon farming. Every farmer's dream is an abundant yield. So here in our farm, we are making the most out of every spaces we have. I'm currently planting some corns here. As you can see, there are some existing plants, which are chili pepper, bok choy, and spring onion. We also have some flowers here, and we also have other type of herbs and eggplant. For those of you who are new to our channel, we are not just growing crops, but we are raising animals also. We have broilers here, which are almost ready to butcher. We also have egg layers, ducks, native chickens, Philippine native chickens for meat and egg production. And we also have our Carabao. We named him Rocco, and he is playing with our dogs. Right here, we have a lot of dogs. We have a total of 8 dogs here in our farm. 4 puppies and 4 adult dogs. We also have here some squash, eggplant, and bottle gourd. Mahulog ka mo dida. I was planting corn directly to our raised beds, and I didn't realize seeds fell off already, so I have to pick it all one by one. Oh, this is a lot. When you're trying to be more productive and doing things fast and things like this happens, oh my gosh. What's on my back? Hold on, let me just check. Oh, it's the puppy sitting on my skirt. Hey, doggy. Hi, so I have to pick it all one by one, and look at that. It's on the flower. We also planted a lot of flowers in our farm. Later, we will explain it to you because it is part of companion planting. After picking up all these seeds, I will take you to our garden next to our native chickens. Our setup there is kind of different, but still natural farming. It's just that we don't have garden bed frames there. Remember the potato, guys? Here it is. I'll give you another update of it after 2 weeks. So here we are again at our native chickens, guys. What I love about them is that they're not sensitive and they eat anything. So most of our food waste at our food shop, that's what we feed them. Then we just add some azola and madre de agua to their feed. So this is our other garden area. We have here corns and cassava. So we are also doing companion planting here. So since the cassava and corn are quite tall already, we are going to plant beans beside them. So let's talk about first if what is companion planting. Companion planting is a gardening technique consisting of planting different crops together to improve their health and productivity. So companion planting has many benefits. It actually optimizes productivity in gardens with limited space, just like us, and it can help prevent pest infestations and diseases. And again, nothing is easy. Everything is hard. We need to study as well. So in this companion planting, we have to know the plants that are beneficial to each other, because there are other plants that are harmful to some plants. So we need to check which kind of plants can we plant together. So in what we know, what we can plant together are corn, beans, and squash. And then tomatoes, we cannot plant it together with them. So there are other plants that we can plant together with tomatoes, like basil and flowers. The importance of companion planting is that it is beneficial to our plants and soil and to the microorganisms as well. So we will cite 4 benefits of companion planting, which are the following. Number 1, it increases yields. Number 2, it maximizes space. Number 3, it contributes to the health of the soil. And number 4, it helps repelling from pests and weeds. So since our cassava and corns are quite tall already, we are going to plant beans beside it. And what we can grow here is actually string beans. It's the common type of beans or legumes that we can grow here in the Philippines. So if you are just starting to have your own garden and you want to pursue organic farming, which is very good, make sure to plant beans or plants that belongs to legume family, because legumes have the amazing ability to grab the nitrogen present in the air and make it readily available in the soil for other plants. So basically, beans and peas are a soil superpower. They can fix nitrogen in the soil. It means that they fertilize the ground they're in and produces nitrogen for the soil. We usually harvest cassava in 9 months. While waiting for the cassava to be ready for harvest, we will just keep on growing beans or even bitter gourd, whatever plants that can crawl over it. So we mentioned earlier the 4 benefits that we can get in companion planting, and it is very important in organic farming because we need to work with nature, and with this we are helping nature to be effective. If we are going to observe how nature grow its plants, actually we will never see any section of just one species. There are always different types of plants that we can see in nature. So in this area here, we are still gonna add more flowers, more herbs, so we can attract pollinators and we can repel those insects that are not beneficial for our plants. So we are preparing our seedlings here, and it's bitter gourd. Those are our layer hens. Palagi mga snack. Oh, asa man.